In this video, we will discuss setting up multiple payout configurations. Most organizations will require a payout configuration to be set up which sets the rules by which prize money is paid out in events. Payout configurations are one of the most complex and powerful sections of the RodeoReady app. A payout configuration is set up, then choices are made as to where this configuration is applied. Some organizations will require several payout configurations if their payout rules differ by event. For example, an organization may have a standard payout configuration, which is used for all individual events, and an additional Teams Payout configuration used for team roping and ribbon roping events. This is the scenario we will use in our example. First, we will set up the standard. To begin, tap the Payouts button, then tap the Create button. Provide a name such as Standard. Now there are three sections within a payout configuration: prizes, rules, and fees. We will start with prizes, then tap the Add button, then provide a name. We will most likely set up multiple prizes. Appropriate names here would be descriptive of the prize to be paid, such as naming the prize after either the number of places to pay or the percentage to pay, or both. For example, a prize named "One Place Paid 100" would describe the prize payout when 100% is paid out to the first place. We will then tap Add Prize and indicate that first place received 100% and Create, and Done. Now we will save this and add another prize. This prize, we will name it "Two Places Paid 60/40" to indicate that this will be when two places are paid 60% and 40%. We will add the first prize for first place of 60%, add another prize of 40%, create, tap Done, and tap Save. For each additional prize configuration, click the Add Plus and set the payout percentages for the places. After setting all your prizes, tap Rules, then tap Add to begin creating a rule set. Rules are used to determine what prize set is applied according to the criteria of entrance, placed, or net purse. The Pay button indicates whether this rule set will pay to competitors, pay to the organization, or carry over to other rounds. We will choose Pay Competitors. And we will be setting our rules based on the net purse value. Rules are a set of statements that consist of comparing the value of entries, placed, or net purse, in this case net purse, to apply the prize. We will begin at the lowest level and continue to add rules to set additional levels. For the first rule, we will set as if net purse is less than $1,000, then we will pay one place. We will then tap Add Rule to add another rule, which is if net purse is greater than or equal to 1,000, and if net purse is less than or equal to 3,000, then we will pay two places. We will add a third rule. If net purse is greater than or equal to 3,000 and less than or equal to 5,000, we will pay three places. And then we will add the last rule. when your screen is full, you may need to scroll down to see that last rule set. Here we will set if net purse is greater than or equal to 5,000. There will be no upper limit to this, and we will set it as the last prize set, and then we will tap save. We now have our prize sets and our rule sets for our standard. We will now tap the Fees tab, and this is where we can set up any additional fees that apply at the time of the results calculation, such as a fee or a default amount that the organization will take from the prize purse before distributing prize money. We will call this the organization admin fee and set it as 10%. Tap Done, tap Save. We now have our standard payout configuration all set. You will notice the bottom right hand corner there is a switch that says default. We will leave this turned on, as this will be the default payout configuration that will be used for all the individual events. We will now set up our Teams Payout configuration working through the same steps. We will tap Save. To begin, we will tap Create to create a new payout configuration. We will name this Teams, and if we look in the bottom right hand corner, the default switch is now turned off, as this is the second that we have set up. Standard was set as our default. Tap on the Prizes tab and then tap Add to begin your prize configurations. For this example, we are only going to set up 3 prizes configurations. After setting the prizes, tap Rules, tap Add. We will name this Teams, and again we're going to pay competitors, and we're going to pay based on the net purse value. We will set our rules based on net purse value, but we'll enter different net purse values to have different ranges. We will add our first rule. If net purse is less than $3,000, we will pay out one place. Add a rule. If net purse is greater than or equal to $3,000 and net purse is less than $7,000, we will pay out 2 places, and we will add our final rule. If net purse is greater than or equal to $7,000, then we will pay out all 3 places. We will tap Save. We will tap Save, and you'll see we have this set as Teams. We will tap Fees, and for Teams, we will set the same organization admin fee of 10%. Tap Save again. And we now have 2 payout configurations. One is our standard and one is set to Teams. Now that the Teams payout configuration and the standard payout configurations are created, we will need to specify where and when these should be applied. Because standard is set to default, it is initially set to be applied with all events. We change which events will use the Teams payout configuration by returning to Setup, tapping the event, tapping the event type, and we choose in the bottom left the payout configuration, choose Teams, and save the event. We would choose other team events, and also set that to the Teams payout. And if there were other team events in our organization, such as ribbon roping, that would use the same team event payout. We would set those now as well. We now have set up two payout configurations. The standard is set to the default, so it will be applied to all events except for team roping, where the Teams Payout configuration will be applied.